Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Chenille Boutique. I'm on a homepage and I really like the look of the website. The photos look very original. They are high quality. Your logo looks very professional, very clear, modern, and suits your branding, which is perfect. You've got a menu found at the top. I would work on the titles of the taglines and make sure that they add more specific, such as shop, kimonos, or something like that, so people know right away what to expect. Don't leave your visitors guessing what you're offering. Be as bold and as clear and as explanatory as possible because. mm in order to improve conversion, you cannot leave anything to guessing for your even the simplest things. You have to show and explain everything to your visitors because online visitors are in very lazy state of mind. So the less they have to do, the more they're likely to buy from you. The collection, the featured products look very nice. The product images look perfect. I like the unified backgrounds, and I can tell the difference because the obviously I can differentiate better because the ladies' kimonos are on lighter background, men's kimonos are on darker background, which is fantastic. And they really match your pricing because you've got quite a premium pricing, but the photos also reflect the premium branding, which is fantastic. So I'm going to check the product page. So you've got buy now button above the fold. You've got price displayed above the fold as well. Unique product descriptions in bullet points, so very easy to read. So zoom image so I can see the detail of the fabric and of the design as well. So this is good. Yeah, you made quite a nice effort with the product photography. So this is very user friendly, very nice for conversion. Um, so this is really nice. Related products as well. Okay, about designer. Okay, fantastic. This page is perfect because it talks about you as the designer and the people and the team behind the brand. So this is really nice. I would make this page a little bit SEO friendly. Remove those breaks between paragraphs, add hashtags, add the photo of the designer as well, because this is another way to build a rapport and boost the conversion rate. People really pay attention to this kind of personal touch. You've got professional email address. Make sure to hyperlink it as well so people can email you on one click. You've got Dubai phone number, UK phone number as well. Business director name. Okay. We got address as well. Okay, that's great. Um, I would also add a shipping and returns policy. Don't hide it under terms and conditions because terms and conditions is not exactly a place to include your shipping or returns policy. So make sure they are. Um, you've got prices of your shipping and whether you ship. Okay, you ship internationally, but make sure to add the price table, separate shipping policy, separate returns policy. It is much better to have these as separate pages and easy to find in your footer area. Your SEO score is 49 out of 100, so that's definitely a room for improvement. Your Google snippet needs optimization because it's very generic. You don't need to repeat the brand name twice, and you can add a little bit more details, such as like Arabic, Arabic. Sorry, I'm sorry because I don't know the technical name, but I'm just trying to give an example to SEO optimize it a little bit better to give more details because designer fashion house really doesn't reveal what you're offering. So naming the key product or the obviously your most important product, best-selling product here will help you stand out in the search results, will help you get found in a more relevant search results than just saying designer fashion house. Your meta description is empty, so make sure to add it up to 165 characters. You're only using H1 tags, which is really bad. H1 tag should be used only one per page, and then the other tags should have value of H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Your content analysis, your keyword content needs better quality keywords. So you need to rank for other keywords than those generic keywords like pound, shop, quick. You should, yeah, maybe though, because I believe this is the name of the keyword. So you should use it in more often in your content in order to rank for this more specific keyword. Work on the amount of content by adding more blog posts, by adding longer pages. Google really, really likes written content, and it will help you rank higher by adding fresh content on a regular basis. Also, make sure to add image alt tags to all images that you upload to the website. Your URLs are not SEO friendly, so make sure to optimize them better. Make sure that your URLs are shorter, more descriptive, more relevant, contain keywords. They are much easier for Google to read and will help Google to put you in a more relevant search results. You haven't got structured data. It is not a big problem, but it is becoming a norm right now. So people almost expect to when they see your listing in Google, almost expect to see this kind of rich data, um, rich snippets. So I do recommend adding the app to optimize it. I hope you liked this critique, and if you did, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.